Great to have you here for this exciting journey. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest questions ever. Did we come from random cosmic events, or is there a purposeful design behind our existence? Let's explore the origins of the universe and our consciousness to uncover an inspiring perspective. The question of where humanity and the universe came from has fascinated thinkers for centuries. Some argue it all began with a series of random events, from the Big Bang to the emergence of life. Others propose intelligent design, a purposeful plan crafted by a higher mind. We'll weigh both perspectives, drawing on science, philosophy, and religion to see which offers the best explanation for our existence. Let's start with the random chance hypothesis, rooted in scientific models. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe emerged from a singularity in the Big Bang, giving rise to space, time, and matter. Billions of years later on Earth, molecules in a primordial environment randomly combined to form the first living organisms, a process called abiogenesis. Then through mutations and natural selection, evolution transformed simple cells into complex life, including humans. Supporters point to experiments like the 1953 Miller-Urey study, which synthesized amino acids in conditions mimicking early Earth. They argue that, in a vast universe with trillions of planets, the odds of life emerging somewhere are not zero. Everything, they say, can be explained by physical laws without needing a higher mind. But the random chance hypothesis faces significant challenges. The probability of even a simple protein of 150 amino acids forming by chance is estimated at 1 in 10 to the power of 164, a number far exceeding the atoms in the universe, about 10 to the power of 80. This makes the spontaneous emergence of life highly improbable within Earth's 4.5 billion year history. Even factoring in countless planets, the timelines don't add up. The leap from molecules to complex organisms requires more time than was available. Experiments like Miller-Urey produce only basic organic compounds, not living cells, leaving a gap in the explanation. Moreover, randomness doesn't address the why. Why is the universe so perfectly suited for life? Why can our minds comprehend its laws? Random chance feels like a fragile explanation, falling short of the universe's profound order. Now let's explore intelligent design, a concept offering a different perspective. It suggests the universe's complexity and harmony point to a purposeful designer. Scientists like Michael Behe highlight irreducible complexity. Consider the bacterial flagellum, a biological motor made of 40 proteins that only functions when all parts are present. Remove one component and it stops working. Evolution assumes gradual changes, but how could such a system arise step by step if intermediate forms are non-functional? Similarly, the blood clotting system requires all its factors to work. Without them, it fails. These structures suggest a design where all parts appear together as part of a deliberate plan. Such examples challenge the idea that random processes alone could create life's complexity. An even stronger argument is the fine-tuning of the universe, known as the anthropic principle. The physical constants that allow life are set with astonishing precision. The cosmological constant, which governs the universe's expansion, is fine-tuned to 1 in 10 to the power of 120. The slightest deviation would make the universe too dense or too sparse, preventing stars and planets. The gravitational constant, electromagnetic force, and proton mass all fall within narrow ranges, enabling atoms, stars, and life. If the strong nuclear force were 2% stronger, heavy elements wouldn't form. 5% weaker, and atomic nuclei would collapse. The odds of this tuning happening by chance are 1 in 10 to the power of 229, making randomness nearly impossible. This precision suggests a purposeful mind behind the universe's design. The informational nature of DNA raises further questions. The genetic code is a complex language with nucleotide sequences encoding instructions for life. Information doesn't arise randomly. Just as a book requires an author, DNA suggests a programmer. The chance of functional DNA forming randomly is vanishingly small, casting doubt on the random chance hypothesis. The counter-argument of a multiverse, where our universe is one of countless others and we just got lucky, is speculative, lacking evidence. While intelligent design rests on observable complexity and harmony, philosophical perspectives add depth. Plato described a non-material soul capable of existing beyond the body, while C.S. Lewis saw life as reflecting a divine plan. Modern consciousness research, like Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff's work, suggests consciousness may be tied to quantum processes beyond matter. Their orchestrated objective reduction, OR theory, hints that consciousness interacts with eternal quantum fields. This opens the possibility that we are more than physical bodies. Religious perspectives offer their own insights. Christianity speaks of the soul uniting with divine light in eternal joy. Buddhism describes reincarnation as consciousness evolving toward a higher state. Hinduism promises moksha, consciousness merging with the infinite. Even secular ideas like transhumanism envision uploading consciousness to digital forms, extending its existence. These views share a common thread. Our existence transcends the physical. Weighing the evidence, intelligent design emerges as the stronger explanation. Random chance struggles to account for life's complexity, the universe's fine-tuning, and DNA's informational nature. The odds against randomness are astronomical, and the multiverse hypothesis lacks proof. Intelligent design, however, offers a coherent answer. The universe was crafted with purpose, and our consciousness is not a fleeting byproduct of matter, but an eternal essence designed for infinite growth and harmony. In this video, we see that intelligent design answers not just how, but why. We exist to explore, create, and thrive beyond the physical. The universe isn't random chaos. It's a harmonious plan where our consciousness is an eternal part of the grand design. This journey to our origins was truly inspiring, and I'm thrilled you joined me. Share your thoughts on our eternal consciousness in the comments and come back to keep exploring the mysteries of existence together.